Hi guys, it's Danny, and today we'll be unboxing and trying out swingball. So let's get right into it. Welcome to Daniel's World. The addition to this is 6+, maximum 2 people, and it's to improve your skills. So let's get unboxing this. Right, in here we get a size 5 inflatable ball, and we also get the main part to keep the ball still. And last but not least, pump and instructions. So let's pump up this ball. So how do I put this thing in? Oh, found the needle right here. Pop out the needle. Let's put the needle on. Screw it on. Done. Right, second part is to pump size 5. Right, I think that's good enough. Right, now that the ball's hard enough, we need to fill this patch right here, if I can lift it up, with water. So let's go get some water. So guys, now we're going to put water in the hole. Okay, now that's good enough. Right, so now let's put on the lid. Now we're all set. Now it's time to just kick. Let's move this somewhere else. Onto the big field. So, now supposedly if we kick this, it'll just come back to me. Whoa. No. Jesus. This is good for your pace. If someone just passes it to you. Another feature is that you can adjust the rope, so you can make it very long or very short, just from this. Open it up. Now this is big size, so I can just kick it. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye guys, see you soon. Peace.